Welcome to the channel, viewers and subscribers. Today guys, we repair the air conditioning system on this 2019 Audi A4. We removed and replaced the compressor and also the receiver dryer. So guys, first I'm going to show you the old compressor that we removed, and this is the compressor guys. The reason to remove this compressor, it's not pumping properly. And here we have the old receiver dryer. So guys, we already installed the new compressor and also the new receiver dryer. So here is the new compressor guys. And the new receiver dryer is located in front of the radiator inside the condenser. So now everything is going on fine. We already pressure test and vacuum. Now we are recharging the air conditioning system with our 134A refrigerant. So just in case guys, you're working on an Audi, you cannot find the 2-access valve, this is where it's located: high side and low side. And guys, you can look at the condensation water on the low side pipes. You can see it's sweating a lot of water. Look at the hose. This is a good sign that the air conditioning system is working properly. Now I'm going to check inside. And guys, inside the vehicle is blowing coal. Next video guys, I'm going to use my thermometer and check the temperature inside. It's been a while I don't use that thermometer, so I'm going to start put it back in the videos so you guys can see the temperature inside the vehicle, so you get a better understanding how well the vehicle is cooling. So I already showed the condensation water on the pipe. If you have any ideas about air condition, you will know that's a good sign that the AC is working properly. So guys, if you want any compressor or receiver dryer for Audi, you can link us up. You can just go on our Instagram, our TikTok, our Facebook. Our numbers on that platform, so you can just go over there. You will see our number and location, and you can just reach out to us. So that's it guys, I'm going to remove my low side and high side connection. And one more thing guys, before you install any compressor on any vehicle, you have to make sure that the system is clean and the receiver dryer is new. Before you install the compressor guys, make sure that you check on the receiver dryer. So that's it guys. See you in the next video.